Students, in this lecture we will discuss the problems and numericals that are related to the half wave and the full wave rectifier circuit. So first of all, we will take an example of half wave rectifier circuit. In this example, he is asking sketch the output V0 and determine the DC level of the output for the network as shown in the figure. This is the network, and for this network we have to find out the output voltage and we have to find out the VDC. Here the input voltage is 20 volt positive cycle and minus 20 volt negative cycle. First of all, we are solving for the A part. In this circuit, this is an ideal diode. As there is nothing is mentioned here, so it means it's not a silicon or a germanium diode, it is simply an ideal diode. We are having the input signal of maximum voltage of 20 volt, plus 20 volt and minus 20 volt. Here you may see this, when the positive terminal is here at the input side, then we will have the diode that will be the reverse biased. This diode will be forward biased in the negative cycle. Why? Because there is the negative terminal of the diode and this is the positive terminal of the diode. So when the positive cycle is here, then this diode will be reverse biased. As a result of that, there is an open circuit. When there is an open circuit, then the whole input voltage will appear across it, and at the output side there will be the no voltage. That's why you may see this, when positive cycle is here, then there is the output of it. So for this we are having simply 0 voltage here. For positive cycle there is 0 voltage. When negative cycle came here, then this diode will be the forward biased. As a result of that, it acts as a short circuit, and when it is short circuit, and as a case of ideal diode, there will be the no voltage drop. So no voltage drop here. As a result of that, all the voltage, that is the input voltage, that will appear at the output terminal. So we are having the negative cycle here, that is of the minus 20 volt. So this is the V out. He was asking about the sketch the output voltage V0. So this is the sketching of output voltage V0. For positive cycle there is no voltage, and for negative cycle there is the maximum voltage, and that maximum voltage as the Vi. Now he is asking for the DC level. So VDC is equal to 0.318 V maximum, but in this case we are having the V maximum that is equal to minus 20 volt. Why minus 20 volt? As we are having the signal maximum voltage at the negative cycle. At positive cycle there is no voltage, so that's why VDC is equal to minus 0.318 V maximum, and V maximum is 20 volt. That's why we will have the answer of minus 6.36 volt. In the B part, he is saying that repeat part A if the ideal diode is replaced by a silicon diode. Now if we have the silicon diode, then simply there will be the one thing that must be changed in the output voltage. In output voltage we will have same cycle as it is, but the value will be changed. The value will here 20 minus 0.7 Vm minus Vk. V out is equal to Vm minus Vk in case of a practical diode. So here the Vk is 0.7 volt. That's why we will have the value of 20 minus 0.7, that is equal to 9.3 volt. And the VDC is equal to minus 0.318 Vm minus 0.7, and the answer will be minus 6.14 volt. So resulting drop in the DC voltage is 0.22 volt or about 3.5%. 0.22 volt means 6.36 minus 6.14. So that will be the drop of 0.22 volt. So now comes towards the C part. In the C part, he is saying that repeat parts A and B if Vm is increased to 200 volt. So in A part there is the ideal diode. So VDC is equal to minus 0.318 Vm, and here the Vm is 200 volt. So VDC is equal to minus 63.6 volt. And for B part, as in the B part there is the silicon diode, so VDC is equal to minus 0.318 Vm minus VT or Vk. So here the VT or Vk is 0.7 volt, so the answer will be equal to minus 63.38 volt, which is a difference that can certainly be ignored for most applications. For part C, the offset and drop in amplitude due to VT would not be discernible on a typical oscilloscope if the full pattern is displayed. This all relates to your practical. So in that case you will observe this. So this was the all about of half wave rectifier.